Hi! Hi! Today is Balance Day. So I wanted to explore the foundation, the fundamental principles of balancing. And balancing is really interesting because balance is found in the space between, or the balancing point between to be rooted and expanded, between being firm, strong, and soft and to surrender. So you also hear it from the word balance. So it's not one side or the other, it's the ability to balance different polarities. That's why it's so interesting and it's why it's so good to practice. So if we start off on one foot, so first we need to ground. Feel that your big toe is pushing down your outer toe as well and root down your heel so that you feel that your foot is gripping the floor. Root down. Feel heavy. And if you want, you can keep the other foot as a support on the floor. Depends on how easy you find balancing. So from this rooted feeling, we want to feel an expansive upward movement, prana in Sanskrit. The downward rooting feeling is apana, downward moving energy, and then we balance it with upward moving energy. So you can lift your arms if you want, feel that you extend your standing leg, extend your spine, all the way up through the neck. And just feel this more airy sensation. One force striving up, one force rooting down. So we change to the other leg. Root down the big toe. Never lift the big toe when you balance. The big toe is giving the brain feedback all the time about how the floor, the ground, is in a relationship to you, to your body. So big toe down, outer toe down, and root down your heel. Feel this heaviness. And expand. One force down, one force up. Good. So we could just stop here and work with this. But I want to add two more principles that I told you from the beginning. So we can find this downward movement and upward and be really stiff and try to control it and really be tense in our muscles. And that could work, but if you come out of alignment, you would fall. So we want to balance activation, like lift up your knee by activating the quadricep muscle, the front of your thigh. Suck in your belly and feel that you are supported by your muscles. But at the same time, allow yourself to be soft. Allow your body to move. And allow your body to fall. That's fine. If we're going to learn balance, we're going to be okay with falling. We need to be okay with falling. So feel that you're rooting down, expanding up, using your muscles, but at the same time being really soft, flexible. So from here, you can do whatever you want. Push down your toe, lift up, use your muscles, but be okay with moving. Be okay with almost falling or falling. Root down, expand up. Use your muscles, your core strength, your leg strength. Smile and be focused. It's all about balance. And play. So I hope you have something to play with here. Let me know how it goes. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Like the video if you like it. Share it if you want. And push this little bell button if you want to be announced when I make new videos. Thank you. Bye.